Most people treat their car battery like a AA battery in a remote control. They use it until it dies and then they throw it away. But a car battery isn't designed to die in 3 years. In fact, chemically speaking, a lead-acid battery should last indefinitely. So why do you keep buying new ones? The answer is a silent killer called sulfation. Inside your battery, there are lead plates submerged in acid. When you start your car, the acid reacts with the lead to create electricity, leaving behind a coating of lead sulfate. When you drive, the alternator recharges the battery, turning that sulfate back into acid. It is a perfect cycle, but here is the catch. The cycle is never 100% efficient. If your car sits for days, or if you only take short trips, the battery never gets fully topped off. That soft lead sulfate begins to harden into jagged crystals. These crystals are like plaque in your arteries. They coat the lead plates, physically blocking the chemical reaction. Eventually, the battery is suffocated. It still has plenty of lead and acid, but they can no longer touch each other. The good news is that you can fight back. The first weapon is a smart charger or a battery maintainer. Unlike old-school chargers, these devices have a desulfation mode. They send high-frequency pulses of electricity into the battery, shattering those hard crystals back into liquid acid. Using one of these once a month can literally double your battery's life. The second trick is simple cleanliness. See that white, crusty powder on your terminals? That is acid vapor leaking out and corroding your connection. It creates resistance, forcing your alternator to work harder and overcharge the battery to compensate. A mixture of baking soda and water will neutralize it instantly. Stop accepting a 3-year lifespan as normal. By keeping your battery clean and fully charged, you aren't just saving $200. You are keeping a toxic lead brick out of the landfill. It is the smartest financial move you can make for your car today.